This is example 3 from the same standard, 7.2.5.3 for 7th grade. Students using percents to solve problems. So in this specific situation, this is about simple interest. So this example here says Nate deposits $300 into a bank account that earns 3% simple interest per year. What is the total amount in the account after 3 years if he doesn't add or subtract from that initial deposit of $300? So again, he puts $300 into the bank account, he leaves it alone. For 3 years, what would that turn out to be? So what you want to do is you want to start out with your interest rate. Your interest rate right here is 3%. 3% as a decimal would be 0.03. So that's your interest rate, right? You're going to take your interest rate and you're going to times it by the initial deposit. The initial deposit in this case was $300, right? $300. Let me put $300 down here. And put up here the initial deposit. There we go. Let's keep this consistent here. All right, and that would be just for 1 year, but because we have 2 years, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply that answer times 2. Okay, so whatever that equals to, we're going to also multiply that by the number of years, right? So number of years. And in this case, we're going to multiply that by 3. That's 3 years. Okay, so now that would just be for the interest. So whatever we find out here is the interest, right? That equals the actual interest in terms of dollars. We still got to take that interest and add it back to the $300. Okay, so $300 is his initial deposit. We add the interest over 3 years, and whatever that's going to be, it's going to go right here. We're going to add that here. Okay, so 3% of $100 is $3. So $3 times 300, right? You got 300. That'd be $9. So we can do that over here, but basically it's going to come up to be $9. All right. So $9 is going to be your interest for that 1 year. Since it's going to stay in that bank account for 3 years, it's going to earn $9 each year for 3 years. Now this is not compound interest, this is just simple interest. All right, this is going off based off the initial deposit, not what it earns each year. If you take interest each year, and of course that adds to that value, that would be compound interest. In this case, it doesn't do that. It's just simple interest here. So this would be $27 in 3 years. That's just by leaving the money alone in that bank account. So at the end of those 3 years, he should have $327 in his bank account when he pulls it out. Okay, so literally letting your money work for you. Simple interest is not the best way to go in terms of earning money, but it is stable. It's almost guaranteed. And that's basically it. That's the example there.